Anyone else? Bread? You know, I can make miracles. One jar of mayonnaise for the multitude. You have not? Okay. Anyone else have not?
Three more of us.
3 more of you. All right, then we still have bread. A lot of bread. Just said I give more. Okay, this is very small. The bread. Well, can you open please? Yeah, I think you put it here. Yeah, I put it now. My name is Phước. I put enough, ma'am. It's good enough, I think. Yeah,
I put in her place.
yeah, I put it back up. Exactly. Last time I had almost 300 people. They bring only one loaf of bread, and this time at 20 they bring 2,000. Yeah. The one who didn't have? Who did not have?
Over here, the brother here.
You already had.
No, brother.
You want another one? 2 ones? It's okay, we still have. The one who didn't have.
I already have.
Yeah. And some more? You have already or not?
No.
No, okay. The one who don't have, come here. Give me one more bread, please. Yeah, of course he needs 2. He's 2 times bigger than us, you know? Logical. The one who did not have bread, even including the working team, come here. Maybe more, maybe more. Maybe you need more. The one who had just a very tiny bread, and I say, come back, I give you more. That one, come here, the sister. Sister.
You had the tiny bread.
Yeah, the tiny one, I say, too small, come back. Now, here. Working team. Is it you?
I'm the tiny bread. But
Tiny bread, here. Come here. Working. They don't like anything. You probably have more at home than I have here.
you should put your hand in.
More mayonnaise, right? More at home than I ever had. Good, huh? It's called original veganese.
I bought this.
Yeah, you have everything at home, I'm sure. This is for me, but I share with you. This is the only jar I have.
Oh.
Bread. But at home you have more. So what I mean is, it's just a little, okay? I'm sorry I don't have much more. I had 2 or 3. No, only 1. I had others. I gave them to the nuns. And
Master, did you make the mayonnaise yourself?
no, you're joking. I don't even have time to eat the mayonnaise. That's why you have a chance to come here. And anyone else, a working team that did not have?
This lady here.
You did not have it? You just standing there?
Yes. She's just standing.
Say nothing? Don't be too shy. If you stand there, you probably never have it. All right, good, huh?
Thank you.
Everybody have bread and mayonnaise?
Yes.
Now, Big Togo, you want one more left? Now he understands English. He even responds in English. Don't need you anymore. You are jobless now.
Master, je viens de très loin, Togo.
Just fair, just shame, mon Dieu.
Ouais,
Just shame.
je vais aller à pied. mais-
Ouais, je le sais très bien. I go into Dubai, okay?
Ouais, c'est vrai, master.
He say he's coming from very far from Togo, walking by foot. We all believe you.
Pilgrimage.
One more. One more for you.
Ready.
You want for you?
Super.
One more? For you? Oh, okay. Good, huh? Everybody's jealous now. I was making it for Togo. But
Yeah.
I make one more for Togo. He's big size, you know? And many of you already had similar, yeah, before. He didn't.
Not
He
as good as
never,
that though.
he never had. Not this, but I mean in my kitchen.
Oh yes.
But he never had, so it's okay. We have one more. This is so nice. Very good. Just mayonnaise and bread, my God, how precious. Here, Togo. We have something else. That's not finished yet. Does anybody still want desire bread with mayonnaise?
The bread.
Tell me.
Yes, I will.
You
Can
want?
I have some?
Of course. I just worry it's not enough, so I give everybody a little first. And whoever desires more, come here. Huh?
Orlando. I want some.
Yeah, just share, you know, because I'm sorry we don't have a lot. How come they give me only one jar? You know, this misery. Misery people. They know I always invite guests and give me only one jar from the whole world. Huh? You say it first or you have it first? And now another one. You want one more?
Yes, I'd love one. Thanks, Master.
You also? Lady first.
All right.
Don't bring it to your horse, okay?
No,
You eat it
I'd
right
have to
here.
fly over and fly back.
Thank you.
Still good? I think the knife is no
Taste to
good.
heaven, Master.
Huh?
Taste to
Tastes
heaven.
like heaven? Because you're hungry. They only give you miserable lunch.
No,
And it's
Master, because I eat only twice a day.
yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Normally, right?
Normal.
Okay. What I mean is lunch is very little here, and too long time ago. Who else?
Yeah, Master.
There you go.
Thank you.
Hello.
There's a man hanging around here.
Hanging around. Looking in the corner.
Thank you.
Come on, we still have. We still have. We still have. Poor thing, just bread and mayonnaise and have to sit there and drool forever. Just one little piece.
It's not only the bread, Master. It's with your presence,
Oh,
with your love.
love, yeah.
I think there's a song that goes bread and marmalade for dinner. You could say bread and mayonnaise for dinner. Da, 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 da.
Okay, anyone
Make a
else?
song.
Anyone else who cannot have, then he will die, then come.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Anyone else? I'm not asking again.
Okay.
And spread it evenly so it tastes better. Huh? Yeah.
We'll go, Master. Next one.
Huh?
Next one here.
Next one. Here go, look. Here come. Here go. We still have like several, you know? The one who's desperate, please come quick before it's gone.
I'm getting more desperate.
More desperate.
Thank you, Master. Thank you.
Okay. My God. This you can
They're
eat.
shy, not shy over here.
Don't
In
be
this corner, they're very shy.
Here's one.
Come here, don't
You
be
have to push
shy.
them.
Don't be shy. The bread, they shouldn't cut it into half. They used to do that before.
Everyone else eat.
Too many people, they don't do it now.
That is so delicious.
The bread is good or it's just...
Very good.
Delicious,
Yeah?
Master.
Very good. Very good.
Really delicious.
It's a kind of wonder bread.
Baguette?
Baguette, yeah. Here, the shy one. Shy.
Bye.
And the not too shy. And the very not too shy at all.
One here from France.
Come,
One here from France, very shy.
come here.
Oh, come on, you.
Where is it?
Sister from France?
Come on. Oh man.
There you go.
Jocelyn.
If you shy, you lose. Come on. Oh. Oh my love. Okay. Anyone else?
There's one little lady here.
Yeah, come on. That's not very little. Compared to me, nobody is little. Yeah. You are giants. That's good. I have several more. Okay, wait. I wash my hands again. My God, I should make a business. And I'll give a little more to the working team, and that's all.
Thank you, Master.
Okay. There you go. De nada. There?
No more mayonnaise for you.
No. I don't care. I don't eat it.
Okay, you
You're welcome. Okay. Right. Working team is 5 people, right? Right, 5.
Yes, 3 here, 2 there.
3 here and 2 there.
Yes.
I make it all and then you can have it. Has somebody volunteered to lead the jar or not? No, not yet. I'm just joking.
You would do it. You would do it as well, wouldn't you?
So cute.
I thought it was finished.
Yeah, what can do, of course, after, no?
Fire is almost finished.
Your tongue is long enough? It's a very
I got a
deep
spoon,
jar.
Master. I got a spoon.
Okay. Yeah. Of course, the one who ate already, we have this to share, okay? Share, here. Open. This can open or not? Yeah, can open one side. Open and share around. Where is the spoon? I just saw the spoon. Where is it?
The jar?
Oh, right.
Keeping an eye on the jar.
Eyes so sharp. Wisdom eyes so sharp. I'm sorry, we don't have enough. We should have more, but it's all they gave me. Then you can eat to your heart's content. We have a lot of bread here.
Thank you.
I don't go back for food. Whatever they give, I have. If they don't give, I don't ask. You see? That's why. And I think I'm only one. This is very big of it.
I'm waiting
To close up to the bread. You eat first. You enjoy. Okay? After enjoy, otherwise you dirty your hands. Okay. 5. 5. Okay. 3 persons. Don't smear the camera. Like they filming and welcome.